A digging fork is ideal for loosening sandy soil or loamy soil and can also penetrate clay too. Now I recommend you use the bigger digging fork first before you start to use your spade because it breaks up clumps of clay. This will help your clay soil, especially if you're digging in plenty of organic matter, as it improves it. A digging fork can not only help you turn over more soil at once, but it's particularly good for those larger plots of land. Flower beds, garden borders and vegetable patches. But if you've got any really stubborn big weed roots or plants that you need to remove, they're pretty good for lifting up those too. Once you've got it into the ground, you hold it there, you push right the way down and then keep your back straight and use the leverage of the fork to lift up the soil. By using this fork, you'll be able to cover much more space in less time and make sure your soil is full of nutrition to boost your plants once they're in place. For more great information on how you can use garden tools to improve your gardening techniques and to find your nearest stockist, just follow the link below.